Hey, welcome back to Browsing Begins. I'm Lehna Ashraf. This channel is basically me browsing things that I find interesting and sharing with you guys. And before starting to the topic, I want to talk about a small thing. It's just that all of your comments, likes, subscriptions are really appreciated, and all of your thoughts are really valuable. So don't mind to comment whatever you think about this video or the topic, or if you find anything wrong in this video, comment it. I don't have any problem with that, and I would really love to reply to your comment as well. I think I want to interact and communicate more with you guys, so it would be really nice if you guys are commenting about whatever you feel, so I would be able to know what you guys are interested and doesn't like as well. So it's just that, and let's get in the video. Today's video is about the relation between the type of music that we listen and our personality. I think it's really true that the music that we really listen to affects our personality or shows what personality do we have, and psychologists are still trying to know more about the personality types, and it's still in progress. And today I have got some of the points that they have already researched and found out. So let's get in the video.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave and swallow me whole.
The first genre of music that I want to talk about is pop. If you are a pop lover, there are many pop lovers in this world, and if you're a pop lover and listen to the songs like There's Nothing Holding Me Back by Shawn Mendes and Shape of You, then you are most probably extroverted, and there's a chance that you are nervous from time to time. You guys are really hardworking, less creative, and more uneasy. The second one that I'm going to talk about is rap or hip hop. If you guys listen to the songs of Eminem, Cardi B, Drake, then you guys are loves to be social and has a high self-esteem and are really outgoing. And there's a stereotype that the people who listen to this kind of music are really arrogant and aggressive, but in reality it's not true. And you people love to know or prefer to know information about the present, and there are three types of people, and some love to know information about the past, some love to know information or love or focuses on the present, some on the future. I am on the future type. I focus on the future, and this type of people who listen to rap or hip hop loves to know about the present, or most likely the solid things like the facts. Okay, and the third one that I'm going to talk about is the country music. If you guys are into country music, there are many people who listen to country music, and some of the examples are Meant to Be by BB Rexa, and In Case You Don't Know, the song In Case You Don't Know. And if you guys are in this kind of music, then you guys are really conventional, conservative, and as most of the country songs are heartbreaking ones, the people listening to this are emotionally stable, and you guys are really hardworking. The next genre of music and personality type that I'm going to talk about are the people who listen to rock or heavy metal. If you guys are one of them, then you are quite gentle, and there's a stereotype that the people who listen to this kind of songs are pretty aggressive, just like the people who listen to rap songs. But that's true, because it's just a stereotype, and most of the time stereotypes are wrong, and I don't believe in it as well. So in reality, the people who listen to this kind of songs are quite gentle, and most of the time they are often introverted and may suffer from low self-esteem. And it is also said that they are quite relaxed and flexible during a challenge, and they mostly focus on the future. The next genre of music is indie music. If you guys love to hear the songs of Billie Eilish, Watch, Bad Guy, then the dance monkey, then you guys are probably in this team. You guys are really introverted, intellectual, quite passive and anxious time to time, and you guys are less hardworking, less gentle, and have a low self-esteem, and are really creative. The next one that I'm going to talk about is dance songs. There are quite a lot of people who loves to hear dance songs, and if you are one of them, and for example, if you love the song, if you love to hear the Bollywood song Abhi to Party Shuru Hui Hai from Khoobsurat, Let's Nacho from Kapoor and Sons, Aang Mare from Simba, and the songs of Guru Randhawa like Suit, if you love to hear this kind of songs, then you guys are really outgoing, really assertive, and you guys are pretty appreciated for the openness to experience. The seventh one that I'm going to talk about are classical songs. There are a lot of people who love to hear classical songs. The people who hear this kind of songs are introverts. They are, really easygoing types and really creative, and also they have a good sense of self-esteem and smarter than the other groups. And I think being smarter than the other groups are a really great quality to have. And the last one that I'm going to talk about are the genre of music like jazz, blues, blue, soul, that kind of music. If you guys are into this kind of songs, then you guys are really intelligent, really open-minded, extroverted. You guys have a high self-esteem. You are really creative. Anyway, the psychologists are still in progress with this research, and they are trying to connect the personality types with the genre of music that they listen to. And I think it's true that we can know a person by knowing the genre of music that they listen to. And I think this is just a test, or this is just a research for now, and I think it's pretty accurate as well. And if you guys find this video accurate and interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.